Good afternoon, everybody. This is November 2nd for English 4C at Kyushu Institute of Technology. As I said before, we're going to be on demand this week, so this video will help you walk through all of the things that you need to do for this week's assignments. Let's take a look at week number 5 over here. And I haven't put up the video because I'm making it up right now, but it'll be over here between the class content and objective and the textbook answers video. And remember, it's on demand, so you didn't have to come to class this week. I hope you weren't there surprised. Okay, there's class 4 textbook answers video, which is something that you're used to. Please make sure that you check that so that you're prepared for all of the tests that we're doing this year. The Quizlet material is there to help you with next week's homework. I hope that at some point soon we can have a little bit of fun like we did last time and use the Quizlet to actually help you learn some vocabulary. But this week, as I said, we're not meeting in class. Now this assignment, main ideas and paragraphs, this is connected to the video that I gave you last week in class number 4, if you remember this video here. Now, if you have watched this video already, that's good, but I still suggest that you watch it again so to give you the best understanding you can have to do this assignment, main ideas and paragraphs. Basically, you are going to be doing a multiple choice quiz on what is the best topic sentences. Now, after you're done with that, you have another grammar quiz, so please make sure that you get that done. And you have your typical homework video and photo upload. Make sure that you understand the due dates for that. Now, the one thing that you're going to need to do that's different from your normal assignments this week is the writing task upload, and that's due in a few weeks, so you have some time, and we're actually going to be talking about this in the next class, but this video is here in case you want to actually get started finding out what it is that you have to do. So, watch the video, try your hand at the writing task, and I would suggest that you just leave it as a work in progress and wait until we come to meet again next week, and you can see me if you have any questions, and I can explain to you personally, face to face, what's involved in doing it. Otherwise, make sure that you understand your due dates for the 2 quizzes, the main ideas and paragraphs, and the homework video and photo upload. Make sure that you watch that video before you do the main ideas and paragraphs so that you can get the best chance of doing well on that quiz. We'll be back in class next week, and I'll see you then. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye-bye.